Hello viewers, in this video I will show you that how to add the current date and time in Google Sheet. As you see that already I have opened a Google spreadsheet, and here I have titled as how to add the current date and time in Google Sheet. I'm highlighting here in yellow color now function, and another is today function. So almost same. What is the purpose of this? If you want to add the time and date manually, then it will be tough, and it will be easy because if you apply the function, then it will be update automatically. That's why I written the reason here. Rather than manually inserting times and dates into Google Sheet, you can use now and to the function. This function show the current date and time on updating as your spreadsheet when the or regular basis. So I'm giving the example here. Now function, in this cell I'm giving a specified color. In this cell, e column, row number 10. Here I will apply now function. First you have to type equal sign, then type NOW, then you can type the tab, press tab and close the first bracket, then enter. As you can see that after applying the now function, here time and date both are showing, and date is the uh, present time showing. I can change the format. How we can change the format? So this is the question. Now I'm showing you how to change the format. First one, select this cell, then click on this more format tab and go down. Here by default format is showing here. You can choose the more format, more date and time format. Here these are on the selection box, that means these are the showing. I can choose this format, clicking here, then apply. As you see that our format of date and time has changed. I have to expand this column. As you see that after expand the column, I'm seeing that new format are applied and it's showing this is the changes. Friday, July 2021, and this is the time. Okay, so now I'm going to show you today function. Type equal, then type TODAY, first bracket and close the first bracket, enter. So this is the very straightforward function, today function. So when you open this sheet tomorrow, you will see the update time. So this is the benefit, that you don't need to update the time and date manually. It will be show the present time and date, and automatically it will be updated. So this is the very benefit. We will get the benefit when we work on the large project sheet. uh, Thank you for watching the video.